Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are looking for things that are non-phone based. You don't want to be on the phone doing customer service, so I try to share a lot of these as much as I can find. This one is a little bit different because it is going to provide you with a Chromebook. So even if you don't have a computer or a home office setup, you might qualify for this. You do need to have your own internet though, but they'll give you the computer you need to do the work. So all you have to have is an internet connection and yourself. But the company is Overjet. Now, Overjet is a global leader in dental artificial intelligence. So we're getting into that artificial intelligence phase where everybody is testing out AI for everything, and this is going to be in the healthcare field with dental. Now, Overjet only has 49 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always do your own research on any companies, but they do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars, and I just want to quickly ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, please give me that direct feedback. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But Overjet is looking for none other than a data entry specialist. Real quickly, one thing to note, this is going to be a contract position. It is going to be 6 to 8 months, but it has a possibility of an extension. Now, Overjet is based out of Boston, but they're hiring remote throughout the United States. It does say it's open to candidates residing anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions, but they do prefer either Pacific or Mountain time zones. So if you're outside of those time zones, make sure you can convert your hours and see if you can work during regular business hours in those time zones. But they're basically looking for somebody to perform data entry tasks related to dental insurance claims processing. What you're going to do is download and upload images from a client portal to the Overjet portal. You're going to make sure they're accurate and timely entry of all the data into the system, and you will have to adhere to HIPAA policies, guidelines, all of that. So you'll have to keep all of the patient information sensitive. But that is it. Data entry, downloading and uploading images sounds easy enough. They are looking for somebody who has prior data entry experience. Someone who's familiar with dental insurance claims is a plus, but not required. You do have to have strong attention to detail, great accuracy in your typing, and again, comply with those HIPAA guidelines and be able to work those specific hours. This is a full-time position. They are providing their contractors with a Chromebook, like I said, so you don't need to have your own computer. They're also going to provide you training. Pay is $15 an hour for this position, but again, no college degree or anything is needed. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.